Hi everybody, my name is Israel Oxley, and today what I'm preparing for you is a grilled steak, garlic and sauteed potatoes, and asparagus with lemon juice. Let's start by seasoning my steak. What I'm seasoning my steak with is coarse salt, ground pepper, and thyme. Let's start with the coarse salt. Now ground pepper. Now some thyme. Now let's flip it. Do the same thing on the back. Ground salt. Pepper. And thyme. Then let me carry this over to my grill, and I will turn it on so it will get warm with some olive oil. While that's warming up, I'm going to cut my potatoes, and then after I put my potatoes on, I'm going to start melting the garlic. And now I'm going to put this back on the plate and take it over. And then I'm going to put them on. Well, before I take those over, I'm going to heat my pan up. Okay, now I'm going to take off my garlic, and I'm going to put my potatoes on. Then after I put my potatoes on, I'm going to put my steak on. You notice as soon as I put it on, you hear a sizzle. Now I'm going to start cutting my garlic. Now I'm going to go season my potatoes. Now seasoning my potatoes with coarse salt and ground pepper. Give that a nice shake. And while that's cooking, I'm going to finish dicing up my garlic and put a little bit of some of the garlic on with my potatoes. Shake that. Now I'm going to start with cutting my lemon. Now I'm gonna dress my lemon, my asparagus, and olive oil. Now I'm going to carry this over, put a little bit of lemon zest, put a little bit of lemon before I go over, put a little bit of lemon zest. Now I'm going to take this over. While that is sitting there waiting for the steak, let's check it up. Let's check how our steak is on. Wow, that looks good. So now I'm gonna give our tomatoes a little shake and put a little bit of more garlic in. Now we're gonna check the steak again. Oh wow, look at all that color on there. Now we're gonna start with the other side and put the asparagus on. Remembering this right there. And put a little bit of more lemon on there. Now I'm just going to slightly put the lemon down so none of the juice comes out of the oil, because water does not go good with oil. Now I'm going to put another one. Now I'm going to put this one on there too. Now I'm going to give my potatoes a nice shake. Well, that smells good. Now we're going to put the rest of the garlic in the potatoes. Now we're going to come over here and season our asparagus. But our steaks look good. Now let's put it on my chopping board so it can rest, so all the juices can stay in. Now I'm going to put the rest of my lemons on the grill. Now I'm going to cut a lemon for a garnish on my plating. Now I'm going to start plating my garnishes. Now let's start plating my potatoes. I'm going to go turn off my asparagus. Then I'm going to put that on top of the lemons. Now that we plated our asparagus, I'm gonna cut my steak. Then I'm gonna put that over the potatoes. That's a nice medium rare. I'm going to cut off the edges so I can get a fine cut from the middle. Now we're going to plate our steak. My steak.